Montego Bay's once vibrant business district now bears the marks of Hurricane Melissa's wrath. Broken storefronts, shuttered offices, and silence where there was once the steady hum of commerce. TVJ News also understands that most of the resorts in the area remain closed. But the Montego Bay Chamber of Commerce President Jason Russell says efforts are on the way to restore normalcy in the city, though he admits recovery has been far from easy. However, Mr. Russell says, based on the last update he received on Tuesday, support is being mobilized at various levels to help businesses get back on their feet.
Damage right now, the biggest hurdle to overcome is actually staffing. There's a lot of businesses right now that would like to get back open. They've done what they needed to do to shore up their business. They would like to get started, but the staff themselves, the human element, the part that can't be fixed easily, you can't press a button or buy something, that's the part that has been most challenging.
The National Commercial Bank Jamaica Limited, NCBJ, and its partners have raised $450 million to support recovery efforts following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. The initiative includes a $200 million commitment from NCB, matched by contributions from partners, and an additional $50 million from Guardian Group. Funds will be channeled through the Building a Better Jamaica Fund, managed by the NCB Foundation, to provide food, shelter, home repairs, and community restoration in the hardest hit parishes. The fund was first established in 2024 after Hurricane Beryl, where NCB and its partners raised more than $459 million for recovery projects.